white reindeer, the story of Gábba and the creation story from Sámi. The sun, the creator, brought the white reindeer down to the earth upon his rays. When he arrived on earth, his body was used to create the elements of the earth. His antlers became the bridge between worlds. His bones became the skeleton of the earth, the mountains and the cliffs. His fur became vegetation and trees. His blood became rivers and lakes. His eyes became the morning star. His head became the celestial spear, and his heart was placed in the middle of the earth. And when you listen after the heartbeat of Gábba, the white reindeer, you will never get lost.